Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your smartwatch's GPS. Smartwatches have become incredibly versatile, and one of their most powerful features is the built-in global positioning system. This allows you to accurately track your location, monitor your workouts, and even navigate without needing your phone. We'll go over the basics of getting started, ensuring you can make the most of this fantastic technology for all your adventures. Getting your GPS ready is usually straightforward. First, make sure your smartwatch's software is updated to the latest version, as this often includes performance enhancements. Then, dive into your watch's settings menu to find and enable location services, or GPS. You might also want to review which apps have permission to use your location data. A quick calibration can sometimes help improve accuracy, especially if you're in a new area. Once activated, using GPS for your activities is seamless. When you start a run, bike ride, or hike, your smartwatch will automatically begin tracking your route and distance. For navigation, you can often use built-in maps or download third-party apps that provide turn-by-turn directions right on your wrist. After your activity, you can review detailed maps and performance metrics, giving you valuable insights into your progress. Some watches even offer live location, sharing for peace of mind. To get the best out of your smartwatch GPS, remember a few key tips. For optimal signal, try to have a clear view of the sky. Also, GPS can consume a fair amount of battery, so close any apps you're not actively using. If you're heading to an area with spotty cellular service, downloading offline maps beforehand can be a lifesaver and save battery. And of course, always ensure your watch is fully charged before embarking on a long adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.